Hi, my name is Kate. In this video, I'll show you how to create a link on one of your posts or pages inside of WordPress. From the dashboard, I'm going to go to one of my posts. And I will open the post. And now I have the post editor. So I'm going to add a link in some of my text here. Let's go ahead and put the link at the end. And what I'm going to do is link to WordPress.org. Adding a link is really easy. You're just going to highlight the word that you want to become a link. This can be a word, a phrase, a sentence, and you can even link your image, which I can show you in a minute. So highlight that, and then choose the Insert Edit Link tool from the toolbar. Here, you can enter the URL to the page that you are linking to. You can also link to existing content on your site. So I'm going to add the link. This word is now a different color, showing you that it's a link. If you're curious about how to link a photo, let's go ahead and click on the photo and then click the Pencil Edit button. Here under the display settings, there's an option to link to. Use the drop-down menu and go to Custom URL. Currently, it's just linked to the full-size image, but if we wanted to link this to a different URL, we would put that in here. Alright, so let's go ahead and update our post. And then let's view the post. Alright, you can see down here I've got my WordPress.org link. And it works. And that's how you would create a link on WordPress.